Troy.
Hey!
What's up?
Nothing.
I knew you were gonna do that. You're too predictable. Do something besides pick your nose for one. Oh, okay.
Are you? Fine.
I'm waiting. What's some sugar?
Oh, it's because of that?
Oh, watch out.
Troy.
Whose is this?
Mine.
Can I play with
Jackie, Troy wiped a booger on you just now.
Oh no, Troy, a booger.
It was like
What her face looks like.
That's like so much worse.
Yeah.
I know, a booger's way better than snot.